Pretty nice. And who's with her?
Her baby.
What's his name?
Elmo.
Cute.
Okay, make her go this way.
Let's see you do some riding.
Make her go out that way. Give her a little kick to make that noise. Give her a kick.
Here's Cowboy Justin. He just got done, didn't you? Who's your horse?
Ride again for the video?
What's your horse's name?
Elmo.
Oh yeah, you got Elmo. And who's the one you rode?
No. I can't. No.
Tina.
Tina.
Yep, there's Tina standing over there. Come back over this way now. Turn her over here.
Turn her, pull hard.
I can hold it.
Bring her this way. Doing good. Good job.